This strange creature that looks like a chimpanzee is actually a crow. From another angle, it's easy to recognize it as one of the smartest birds in the world and one of the few animals with self-awareness. Crows' intelligence is on par with that of a 7-year-old child, and they can even skillfully use tools and other living beings to help them achieve their goals. In the past, crows were often mistakenly seen as omens of disaster, but this is actually because crows have a warning ability that allows them to sense the coming of certain disasters. People would mistakenly link the appearance of crows to the occurrence of disasters. In fact, these clever animals are excellent at making friends. They not only form bonds with humans, but also mimic a cat's meow to amuse kitties. What's even more interesting is that crows tend to have the habit of pulling the tails of other animals.